Hey, welcome to Tech Factuala, where you can stay up to date with the latest progress of technologies and gadgets. The kitchen is the most used space in any home. We can say it is truly the most beloved area of the home and the epicenter of all the action. Shouldn't you have a few aces up your sleeve when you're going to entertain or cook for your family? There are some inventions in your kitchen that you're suffering without, and you don't even realize it. Luckily, we have a magic list for you. So today we will be counting down the top 10 kitchen innovations you can buy on Amazon right now. If you want to be updated about top technologies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in the future. And don't forget to click that bell icon to be the first to know when our new videos go up. Let's begin with 10 kitchen inventions you can buy on Amazon right now. Number 1. ORPAT HHV Hand Blender White. This ORPAT HH hand blender is perfect for blending pancake or cake batter to make the right texture and perfectly consistent. Its sharp, multi-purpose stainless steel blades are great for fast and efficient blending. It can be wall-mounted, so it doesn't have to take up kitchen space. It comes with a comfortable grip handle for easy maneuvering and a 2-meter power cord, so you can easily move around with it. It is easy to store and keep clean. You can buy this item from Amazon for $10.47. Number 2. HAVELLS Big Fill 900 Watt 2 Slice Sandwich Maker Black. Making a sandwich is easy with this 2-slice sandwich maker. It comes with deeper grooves to accommodate bigger fillings in the sandwich. It has fixed sandwich plates. It comes with a cool touch handle to avoid fingertip burns. It has a non-stick coating and is good for toasting and grilling. Very simple to use with minimal functions. Its non-stick body cooks sandwich without burning them and it has fast speed. You can buy it from Amazon for $25.16. Number 3. Automatic Electric Kettle with Stainless Steel Lid Black. It is travel-friendly and handy for preparing hot water, instant tea, and coffee. Once the water is heated, it automatically turns off and keeps the water warm. It is an energy-efficient kettle with its single-touch lid locking mechanism. Water boils quickly as the machine retains the heat inside without allowing any steam to escape. It is made from high-quality stainless steel but comes with a glass lid to see the entire process. Its 360-degree swivel power base allows you to plug it in a direction convenient for your usage and handling. This kettle can be removed from the power base, making it easily portable. The power indicator illuminates in the dark. You can buy this kettle from Amazon for $7.44. Number 4. STARFRIT Electric ROTATO Express. Never peel a potato by hand again. With this genius machine, you won't waste any of the food you're peeling. With ROTATO Express, the amazing new peeling machine that automatically peels away potato skins, fruits, and other vegetables in seconds. It's so sensitive it can even peel the skin off of tomatoes. Now you can peel all vegetables, all fruit safely without the waste. Plop on a potato, peel it, and pare it in 10 seconds flat. The ROTATO Express instantly peels not just potatoes but also other fruits and vegetables at the push of a button. It stops automatically when the peeling is over. No need to touch or hold the vegetable while it's peeling. It has a non-slip base and comes with 2 spare blades stored underneath with a thumb knife to pare potatoes. It includes a 6V adapter. You can get this kitchen invention from Amazon for $25.47. Number 5. OXO Good Strips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer Green. The avocado slicer is made of eco-friendly food-grade plastic and stainless steel. It's sturdy and durable. All-in-one tool splits, pits, and slices avocados. Stainless steel pitter removes pit in one quick twist. The comfortable non-slip grip design slices your avocados safely and quickly. Lightweight and portable, easy to clean and store. With a 3-in-1 avocado cutter, you can easily cut the avocados, remove the core, and divide them into 7 pieces. The tool is not only to be used for the avocado, but also for a kiwi or similar fruits. No more flying seeds. The comfortable handle helps with removing the pit using the nylon loop. Safer and easier than a knife. It is available on Amazon for $9.99. I hope you guys are enjoying what you're watching. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more content like this in the future. And don't forget to click that bell icon to be the first to know when our new videos go up. Enjoy the rest! Number 6. Smile Mom Quick Vegetable Chopper. This food chopper has a new hand-pressed design, more convenient. The appliance is absolutely easy to use for chopping onions, garlic, tomatoes, carrots, nuts, herbs, and more. The chopper can be used to whip up baby food in no time, as it churns the food nicely. If you're planning to make salsa, salad, pesto, hummus, or guacamole, cut and chop your vegetables quickly with this tool. If you're making a dish with minced meat, you can even process boneless meat with this chopper. It is easy to maintain and keep clean. It is dishwasher safe and can be disassembled and put back together quickly. It is handy to carry with you when you're traveling or even if you're going camping. It is safe to use as it is made from food-grade quality and BPA-free material. Unused or extra veggies can be retained in the storage container and kept in the fridge. It comes with a leak-proof storage lid to keep them fresh in the refrigerator. It is available in 4 different unique colors. You can buy this chopper from Amazon for $6.18. Number 7. Admora Plastic and Steel Manual Vegetable Spiralizer. This food processing cutter for salad, spaghetti, and veggie spiral cutting machine in green and white. This chopper spiralizer is extremely fast in chopping. Safe to use, it protects your hands from any cuts or scratches. You can be creative with your cooking style as this kitchen tool cuts veggies in different and interesting shapes. Cut zucchini, cucumber, carrot, and other veggies into spiral slices or long strands for food decoration or presentation purposes. Also for making vegan or keto-friendly dishes. It comes with 5 unique blade options that are made of 420 grade stainless steel and hence won't rust even with constant contact with water. This spiralizer is easy to operate and the ergonomic design allows for easy washing after your work. It is top rack dishwasher safe. This vegetable cutter is made of unbreakable plastic, making it durable and long-lasting. It can cut even hard vegetables as the blades are made of high-grade stainless steel. Your kids can enjoy this fun technique of vegetable cutting and help you in the kitchen. You can buy this from Amazon for $4.81. Number 8. Philips VIVA Collection HD 9220 Air Fryer with Rapid Air Technology, Black. With the Philips air fryer, you can eat healthier without giving up the taste and texture of your favorite foods. Using its unique rapid air technology, the air fryer fries, bakes, and roasts, as well as grilling with a teaspoon or anything less of oil, making it a perfect solution for fast and healthy meals and snacks. The air fryer is the perfect kitchen item. It has a capacity of 2.2 liters. It comes with a recipe booklet. French fries, fried chicken, and cheese balls come out perfectly with it. This product is eligible for a full refund within 10 days of delivery in case of any product defects, damages, or features not matching the description provided. You can buy this Philips VIVA Collection HD 9220 air fryer from Amazon for $249.99. Number 9. Adhesive Sponge Holder. It is also a brush holder with a 3-in-1 sink caddy and a SUS 304 stainless steel rust-proof waterproof. It has strong adhesive hooks that stick to the surface for a long time, more durable and stronger than the suction cup. This caddy fits 1 sponge and 1 brush holder. Keep your sponges and brush out of the way when finished. Dry quickly inside the sink without leaving outside messes. Small design but multifunctional. It is better to use in large and deep sinks. No tools, no drilling, no holes. Just peel off the cover and install the adhesive. This prevents any damage to your permanent structure. Ideal for using in the kitchen, bathrooms, or anywhere you need it. SUS 304 stainless steel material, waterproof, and rust protection. You can get this item from Amazon for $12.86. Number 10. OXO Good Strips Baker's Dusting Wand for Sugar, Flour, and Spices. This OXO Good Grips Baker's Dusting Wand is perfect for evenly flouring baking pans or sprinkling surfaces for rolling dough. Also great for precise dusting of baked goods with cinnamon, powdered sugar, and other spices. It has a solid side 4 neatly resting on the counter and sized to fit in most flour containers for storage. It opens with a simple twist of the handle and it is dishwasher safe. You can use it in your daily kitchen routine and get this amazing grip baker's dusting wad from Amazon for just $20.90. These were 10 kitchen inventions you can buy on Amazon right now. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Factuala squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching!